in the wee hours of the morning, and as children will do, we sneaked out of his bedroom and into the den to see what happened.
Quit it. Talk to Grandma.
Was a fine monkey. It was the present Harry had dreamed of. Then Harry turned the latch and opened the cage. And that's when things went
Kenna.
terribly wrong. The monkey was possessed.
McKenna. Who are you talking to? Hey, talk to Grandma.
And then the king came. It bladdered empty. The monkey jumped out the window, never to be seen again.
That is the freakiest story I've ever heard.
Did you hang up on Grandma?
I know, but it's true. Christmas was ruined for him as a kid, so now he wants to ruin it for everyone else.
Come here.
So we're screwed.
Oh, you kissing her? You giving Grandma love on the
All
phone?
we have to do is give him a really nice monkey for Christmas. Check this out.
Can Mommy have the phone? No, I can't. You better talk to Grandma then. She's going to get bored.
Monkey.com, placing sweet monkeys with families since 2005. And look, each monkey comes with its own certificate of sweetness. Sweet.
No, look. We want to get on the next ship out of here. Because our bungalow blew away and we want to leave. 3 days? Oh, no. You don't understand. My wife is very irritable. Please just... Hey, where are you going? Home for Christmas! Well, wait. I gotta go. Wait for me, honey! I'm coming!
Can I get it out of your mouth?
Hurry! Don't get us let me get right off.
Come on, run, Josh.
No, get it out of your mouth.
It's Santa's sleigh.
I got us the best boat in the parade. Nice. Man, the snow.
All done?
No.
Tell Grandma bye.
Oh, no.